Henri Rousseau was a French Post-Impressionist painter who lived from 1844 to 1910. He was a self-taught artist with no formal training, and he didn't start painting seriously until he was in his 40s. Amazingly, art legend Pablo Picasso discovered Henri Rousseau and is largely responsible for promoting his work and furthering his career. Rousseau is best known for a style of art called naive art, or primitivism. I think his art naturally looked primitive and folk art-like because he had no formal training. This style was primarily expressed through a series of whimsical and fanciful jungle scenes. While he never left France during his lifetime, he liked to imagine what distant tropical lands might look like. He would travel to local botanical gardens in Paris to look at the plants and get inspiration for his paintings. Some of Rousseau's most notable paintings include A Carnival Evening, Tiger in a Tropical Storm, Sleeping Gypsy, The Hungry Lion Throws Itself on an Antelope, and The Merry Jesters. If you're new to my channel, please support me by subscribing and be sure to check out all of the other amazing art videos, art lessons, and art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.